Hey loves, it's Shay Amour here and I'm back with another video. So today's video I wanted to do a tutorial to show you guys how you can sew in or sew down your lace closure wig. I know a lot of you stated that you don't use like the got2b gel or adhesive glue or the elastic band. So this is an easy method if you are looking to wear your lace closure wig for an extended amount of time and you don't want to use all that other stuff. So yeah. So if you guys are interested to see exactly how I sew down my lace closure wig and be able to wear it for a long period of time, then definitely keep watching this video. Okay, so first things first is make sure you guys style your natural hair in the style that you want or what you will be wearing underneath your wig. Now, you can, braid up all of your hair into some cornrows, or you can do what I do, which is the lazy method. I really only braid like the perimeter braid, and then I braid the rest of my hair into two French braids. And this is so regardless of how you braid your hair, just make sure that it's flat and it's going to lay flat underneath your wig. So the next thing that I do is I do put on like 2 wig caps just to make my hair lay down even flatter underneath my wig. And I'm just basically using the wig cap that matches closely to my skin tone. You can use whatever color wig cap that you want, but I prefer to use this one. After I apply my wig cap, the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put my lace closure wig onto my head. And if you guys do not remember, I did a video on this exact wig maybe about a few weeks ago. The hair that I am wearing is from Hjweavebeauty hair. I have their Brazilian body wave in limbs 16, 18, 20 with a 14-inch 4x4 lace closure. Make sure you guys check out that previous video. I show you guys exactly how I make my closure look like a frontal, and I show you guys how I bleach the knots and create baby hairs and all that. So yeah. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and section off the back of the wig so I can start sewing it down. Now I usually sew in between the tracks or in between the rows. So I always sew on the wig cap. And when I do section off the back, what I do is try to find exactly where my perimeter braid is, because I will be sewing through my perimeter braid as well as the wig cap, so it can just be snug and it won't move, because the thread will be going through the braid as well as the wig cap. Head, I'm using a large C-shaped needle with some black thread, and I'm just using the blanket stitch method. You can do the traditional stitch technique, but I prefer to use the blanket stitch method because it locks everything in place. So as you guys can see, after I sewn down the back, that wig is not going anywhere. You guys, it is 2018. Make sure you guys secure the wig. Don't be out and about and somebody is easily able to snatch off your wig, because it's really embarrassing for your wig to kind of fall off, somebody to snatch it off. So yeah, make sure your stitching is really taut so it won't be really loose and your wig won't be moving all over the place. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and sew down the sides of my wig. And I'm just doing just a couple of stitches. I'm not going to go all the way around. I'm just going to kind of like sew maybe like 2, 3, 4 times, and then do the same thing to the other side. And I'm using the same stitch technique. I'm using the blanket stitch method. You guys, you can go in and sew down your wig in other areas onto your head, but I prefer just to do the back and prefer to do the sides, and that's about it. But yeah, I mean, it's definitely up to your preference. You can even sew down pieces or sections of the actual lace closure onto your head as well, just to make sure that your wig will not be going anywhere. So yeah, so that is about it with me sewing down my lace closure wig. As you guys can see, it's sewn down flat. It's not going anywhere. So the next thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and pretty much, cut some layers into it. And I used my curling wand to add some curls to this hair. And I'm just kind of just curling the front of it, and I will show you guys like the final look. But I did wanted to tell you guys, I have been wearing the Hjweavebeauty hair for I would probably say about a month, and my experience with the hair, I love the texture and feel of the hair. It's like a silky texture. As you guys know, in the first video, this is their body wave hair, but I went ahead and straightened it, and it's really nice. I was able to recurl the hair without any issues. I do experience a little bit of shedding with this hair, but no tangling. So if you guys are interested in Hjweavebeauty hair, I will leave all the information down below in the description section. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe so you can stay up to date on all my videos. Also, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. And I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, and I will see you guys in my next video.